Hey, I'm Marcel. I'm here to show you how easy it is to replace your old doorbell with a Ring Wire Doorbell Pro. The setup should only take a couple minutes, so let's get to it. You'll need the Ring Wire Doorbell Pro, included power kit, a screwdriver and screws, and the included screwdriver for the security screw. First thing you gotta do is turn off the power. Once you're sure the power is off, take the cover off your doorbell chime and connect the Pro power kit. Place the power kit in your doorbell away from any moving parts. Then you can put the cover back on. Now it's time to remove your old doorbell. Unscrew and detach it from the wall. Gently pull out the wiring since you'll be attaching them to the new Ring Doorbell Pro device. I installed the included corner bracket so the bricks wouldn't obstruct the view since they're so close to the camera lens. Secure the corner bracket to the wall using the provided screws. If you're mounting on brick or concrete, drill holes and use the included wall anchors. Now you can pop off the faceplate so you can start installing your device. Connect the wires to the two terminal screws on the back of the device. If your wires are too short, you can attach the included wire extenders. Again, it doesn't matter which wire goes where. Then I attached it to the corner bracket with the included screws. Snap the faceplate back on and install that tiny security screw with the screwdriver I mentioned earlier. Once that's done, you can restore power. The Ring Wire Doorbell Pro should light up and start the setup process. Okay, now that it's installed, let's go through the app so I can show you some of my favorite features. After you link your device, press the doorbell button to see if you're getting alerts on your phone. You can also set up motion zones, notifications, and other linked devices, and enable or disable alerts and motion sensitivity to your preference. With the Ring Home subscription, you'll have access to features like head-to-toe HD Plus video with a taller field of view, Audio Plus for enhanced sound and echo cancellation, which helps reduce noise to hear what visitors are saying with better clarity. Hello. A cool feature is Bird's Eye View to see a motion trail of where someone has been and where they came from. And Bird's Eye Zone, where you can tailor the exact perimeter for specific notifications on overhead zones you want to receive motion notifications from. Good stuff. And there you have it. Now you'll have some peace of mind and you'll never miss a moment at your door with your new Ring Wire Doorbell Pro.